Hey traders, this is Christian Fromertz, Tribeca Trade Group with a trade idea and on NVDA. So right now, NVIDIA of 108.71. We just had earnings the other day, and the stock has been digesting the earnings since when is this? 2/9, so Thursday. So Thursday, this is earnings day, and the stock's been moving down here. One thing that I've done, and I did this back here as well, I did this about a month ago into earnings, is selling put spreads where I think you can earn some premium and where I think there's support. So last time I did this on my charts, this is the point of control. And I used that as support, and I sold put spreads just a little bit out of the money, and then took them off right before earnings. So I'm looking at the same type of setup now. Now that it's been over 3 days since earnings, so I'm using the 3-day rule for earnings and kind of waiting for this to digest. And I don't see right now. There's no buy signals or anything like that that I see in my charts. My indicators, actually, the sell signal was back here, so it's somewhat of a mature sell signal. But what I'm using is the value area support of 107, and I'm thinking that this kind of holds in here or digests a little bit. You actually see a little bit of a sell signal here too. So I just started a position today. If it happens to get a little bit cheaper, I'm going to add more to the position. But what my trade is this. I'm not expecting, or I'm not playing for a move higher. I'm just stating that this name will kind of digest and not go much lower. So here's my trade that I did. I went out to April. March, there just wasn't enough premium. But what I did was I sold the 105 puts and I bought the 100 puts. So what I'm doing is I'm collecting premium here, and I'm collecting $1.80, which I think is pretty good return here for the risk. $5 wide strike. The most I could lose is the collection of the premium, $1.80 minus $5, so that's $3.20. That's my total risk. And so what I'm looking for is for this name, if it goes higher, great. But I'm looking for this just to kind of settle in here and kind of do what this name does over time, which is basically go up over time. So whenever this name dips, I think it's been a good buying opportunity. I may be a little bit early here because we're not seeing the turn yet. So that's why I just started the position today. If it ends up doing what I think it's going to do, which is curling back up here, then I could sell more put spreads. I probably won't get $1.80, but maybe if I still get around $1.50, $1.40, I think that's still good risk to return, with a little bit of confirmation that this top of the value area 107 is going to hold. And I just took off. I did the same exact trade with Amazon, which I'm already taking profits in. I waited to 3 days after earnings for Amazon as well, and sold put spreads. And I've already sent out that alert today. That's right here. So I like this trade on strong names that maybe have run a little bit into earnings. Here's my exit for Amazon. I bought back half the March 795, 790 put spreads for 55 cents today, and I sold those for $1.72 a couple days after earnings. So similar type of trade that I'm doing for NVIDIA. You kind of have to, make a little bit of a conclusion that buying on the dip here isn't a bad thing to do in a pretty strong historic name. So thanks for watching today's video, and have a great day. If you like these types of trade ideas, this is a free one that we're putting out. Please go to tribecatradegroup.com. We do these types of trades all day long, and these are my unusual option trades for the day. We've already hit a couple winners on the day, and some names that we've traded here in Tribeca Trade Group. So check us out, tribecatradegroup.com. Coupon code TTG to get half off the first month. Thank you for watching.